Okay, welcome back to once again our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about one important law 4 marks question, that is intensity of electric field on equatorial line of a dipole. In previous video, I have to discuss about intensity of electric field on axial line. But here in this video, intensity of electric field on a equatorial line. First, what is equatorial line? See here, equatorial line means it is a one dipole. What is that? Dipole. So this is the center of the dipole. Clear? Ah. Now I will draw the one perpendicular line. It means normal on the center of the dipole. So this line is called equatorial line. Which line? Equatorial line. A line, a which line? A perpendicular line is center of the dipole is called what here? Equatorial line. Okay na? Now see here. Now see. So equation, how to derive the equation? Now see. First definition. The perpendicular line on the center of the electric dipole is called equatorial line. Equatorial line. So this is the simple definition of equatorial line. So once again I will repeat the definition. The perpendicular line on the center of the electric dipole. See, so this is a dipole, this is the center, so this is the perpendicular line. Okay, so this is the definition of electric equatorial line on dipole. Now see how to derive the equation. So then pause చేసుకుని notes రాసుకోండి. Okay, now I will take one dipole. So this is the dipole. Point A, point B. Clear na? So ఇంకా కొంచెం లెంత్ తీసుకుంటా. See, this is a point A, this is point B, this is the center of the dipole. Clear? So center of the dipole, right? O. What is the length of the dipole? 2A na? 2A. Clear? From A to O is what? A to O is what? Small a. And O to B also small a. One negative charge is kept on at point A. Similarly, positive charge also kept at point B. Clear na? Now see here. A perpendicular line is drawn on the center of the dipole. First see. According to our definition, see here. This is the perpendicular line. Clear na? Now see here. One P is the point. Okay. Now see here. One positive test charge. It means test charge is kept on point P. So here is a point test charge. It is a negative charge. So which type of force is acting them? Attraction force or repulsion force? So attraction force is acting them because they are different charges, unlike charges. So intensity of electric field like this direction, that is minus EQ. Clear? Similarly, here also the intensity of electric field. So it is a positive charge. Here also test positive charge means positive charge. Both are like charges. Now which force is acting them? A repulsion force is acting them like this. See here. So this is E plus Q. E plus Q. This is E minus Q. Okay na? Now here, what I am doing, I will split into, the E is split into two components. That is the C here. This is the theta. Here it is also theta. This angle is divided into two components. So see here. So it is a vertical. It is a horizontal component. Horizontal components means E cos theta na? E cos theta. So I will see here clearly. So this is a vertical line. Vertical line is a which angle is acting the vertical? Sin theta. Ante E sin theta. Here also E sin theta. Both are in opposite direction. The intensity of electric field at point P is 0. So both are cancelled. Now see, this is the angle theta. This is also angle theta. Clear now? The intensity of electric field is acting this direction. So vertical horizontal component ఎలా తీసుకుంటాం మనం? Cos theta. E cos theta. Here also E cos theta. So E cos theta plus E cos theta is how much? 2E cos theta. 2E cos theta. Now 2E cos theta. 2E cos theta. Now see here, first see here what I am doing. So intensity of electric field ante electric field at P due to negative charge. Due to negative charge. అప్పుడు ఏమైతే ఫార్ములా E is equal to E negative is equal to, so intensity of electric field formula ఏంటిది 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square. Q by R square అంటే let us consider it is a triangle, right angled triangle. So according to Pythagoras law, so how to find this one? This is A, this is L, this is R, this is R. So this is R. So A square plus R square under root. This length is A square plus R square under root. Clear now? Here also same. A square plus R square under root. Now see here. A square. A square means what here? This one. A square plus R square under root. Under root. So root వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. Root కి ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ స్క్వేర్ ఉంటుంది. Both are cancelled. Both are cancelled like this. A square plus R square under root whole square. So square root will be cancelled with each other. So what is the remaining? A square plus R square only. Okay. Now see. So this is the intensity of electric field at P due to negative charge. Similarly, intensity of electric field at E at P due to positive charge. Similarly, E positive is equal to what here? Same 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Here also R square plus A square. Clear na? This is equation 2. But here both are same na? Ante EP E plus Q E minus Q. E plus Q is equal to what here? E minus Q. According to already said that na. So what is the resultant field? Resultant field ఏమొచ్చింది? E is equal to 2E cos theta. 2E cos theta na? ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది 2E cos theta. Now substitute 2. E means what here? Here E means what here? Same 2E plus 2E. అంటే ఇది ఈ ఫార్ములా కానీ తీసుకోవచ్చు. Because both are same. అంటే E plus ఏం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయొచ్చు? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square plus A square. Okay na? Now how to calculate the cos theta? Now consider here triangle, right angle triangle A P O. So this is R, this is A, this is A square plus R square under root na. So how to write cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side here? A. A by A square plus R square, A square plus R square. Okay, but root కాబట్టి 1 by 2. Here also substitute the cos theta. Cos theta equal to what here? Q by R square plus A square to the power of whole power 1 by 2. Clear na? Now I will rub this. Okay. Now here observe, this is it can be written as 2q A. This is A. 2q లేదా 2aq. 2aq by what? 4 pi epsilon naught. What is the remaining is what? So this is A square plus R square. 1 plus 1 by 2 is how much? 3 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 is what? 3 by 2. అంటే R square plus A square to the power of 3 by 2. Clear na? Here observe the figure. So which length is smallest? Compare with A is the very small. Compare with R. అంటే so R is A is very less than R. So A can be negligible in the equation. Equation లో A ని negligible చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? E is equal to what here? E equal to 2aq by 4 pi epsilon naught. So A will be removed. So what are the remaining? R square whole to the power of 3 by 2. R square whole to the power of 3 by 2. Yeah, which one is the cancelled? 2 to get cancelled. What is the remaining? E is equal to what? E is equal to, already we know that 2aq is what? Dipole moment, that is P. Dipole moment P by 4 pi epsilon naught into R cube. This is the intensity of electric field on a equatorial line. Now already you know that the P is equal to what? P is equal to 2a into q. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇది రాసేసినాం. So this is the most important for 4 marks in IP. Okay. Subscribe చేయండి, share చేయండి and comment చేయండి.